Welcome back. Now, once you have everything as you want it, you will then be able to move forward by scrolling all the way to the bottom and clicking Save and Continue. This is the point at which you will determine your marketing and your distribution, as well as your price. And once you determine all those factors, provided that your account information is complete, now once again, we chose not to complete that information for the sake of this video. You will then be able to click this button that will say Publish Your Kindle ebook. However, it's important to note that one of the most important factors that there will be for other individuals to decide to choose your book will be your cover. And you can use the default cover in Amazon Kindle. However, it might be best for you to consider having an e-cover professionally designed. One of the best places to do that will be Fiverr.com. And if you put the search term in Kindle e-cover, you'll discover individuals that will put together a Kindle e-cover for you for a specific price. However, what you'll want to do is you'll want to consider having someone who has a good rating for you to have them design your cover. Now, if you have plans to make your cover into a paperback book using CreateSpace or using KDP, then you may want to consider having a cover design that you can use for both. And typically, the search terms will have something to do with CreateSpace and Kindle. For example, this individual will design something for Kindle as well as CreateSpace so that you can use them for both platforms. And this individual is also very highly rated. So you'll want to continue to look for the services so that you'll be able to determine who you'd like to work with. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.